Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the cheapest fares in the British Airways application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you're in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it. And here you should just press on the cheapest fares. And here you will be able to see all the cheapest fares basically in different cities, basically major cities, and you can also check them out separately, like clicking on one of them, and you can see basically the prices and everything. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.